Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. Thank you for coming to our channel. So many people is asking me, sir, we needed 12 tester services recently, which is in the last videos we shows. That is a kind of a old website is there. So we have been changed completely our website with a new look. I hope we trying to improve more our website. So today we going to show you 12 tester services. So here is our 12. This go to our website, that is resettinfotech.in, and here you can see the 12 tester services we provide you very fast and reasonable prices. So our charges is for a 12 tester, and it is a guarantee one time payment until your app get lives. We will do the 12 tester services. Okay, one app until your app get live, we will give the support to you, and we will make sure your app will get approved in the testers. Okay, if who are required, please come to our website resettinfotech.in and come to the 12 tester pages, and here you can see all the information of the 12 tester services. So right now we already been make the live of 3000 plus application, 99.9% accuracy rate, and we have almost 120 countries we have been get, no registration, Android awareness and everything. Here is our apps that is been live in Play Store. If you click also, you will going to see it all those information. So whoever require 12 test services, you can contact to us. Here is our WhatsApp button is there, you can contact to us. Our phone number is on the display is there. Whoever require the 12 test services, please let us know. Thank you so much.